we doing today?
We're gonna do an install on the Jeep.
What kind of install?
For the bumper.
What is going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am in Jeepie with Emily. We are actually headed to her parents' house. We're gonna go work in the garage a little bit tonight. We have exciting news. We have our first sponsor of the channel. So we'll be sure to tell you all about that once we get there. Yeah, if you guys aren't following us on social media, please do. Only Offroad Co. on Instagram and Facebook. Emily's page is JEEPIETHEJ. Mine's xj.lgpo. So be sure to follow them for all kinds of updates so you never miss anything. But yeah, when we get there, we'll tell you everything about the sponsors. So. We are super excited to introduce our first sponsor to the channel, Offroad 4-wheel drive. So they reached out to us and we were more than happy to work with them and create some content for them. And in return, we were sent a winch and some stickers, and we are going to install it on Jeepie.
Place what's on there now.
Yep, in last video you saw that she has the Harbor Freight Badlands winch, but we're gonna go ahead and swap it out for a brand new one, nice new look, and let's get to it.
Be sure to go to onlyoffroadco.com and check out our merchandise. We've got Only Off-Road t-shirts and stickers, so go ahead and do that. We also still have some ambassador spots open. But yeah, Devin just got the old winch off, however you say it. Wow. And now we're gonna get ready to put this nice looking one on with the nice synthetic line. So let's see how that goes. All right, so it's all hooked up. So now we're gonna test it out. It's wireless, so that's pretty neat. Let's see. We're gonna hit out. Okay, that works. There you go.
What is going on, guys? It's the next day after the install, and I just want to tell you guys my first impressions about this Offroad's 10,000-pound winch. I was super pleased with the install process of this winch, as winches are pretty straightforward to install. I used their cables instead of just using the old cabling, but what I did really like is it's super simple. If you've never hooked up a winch before, you might be questioning what line goes to where, but everything is very well color coded, which I really did like. The cables were the perfect length for this Jeep. It was very well done by Offroad with the design of this. Everything bolted up into place well, and I know bumpers sometimes have different mounting points for different winches. I've only ever installed the Harbor Freight Badlands winch, so this is a different winch that I have finally installed, and it went on no problem. I will say the design of the fairlead is a little iffy. it obviously is gonna work perfectly, but this bolt that goes through, that bolts it to the bumper, is an 18 millimeter. And last night all I had was a deep wall 1/2 inch ratchet size socket, but which is kind of weird is the socket would not fit on that bolt head inside of this ovaled out piece in the fairlead. Other than that, that's the only real issue that I had mounting the winch. Open Road Forward Drive has been generous enough to give us a discount code, which is only off-road on the website, for 50 bucks off of a winch, which I think is a really good deal. Winches nowadays, I think a lot of people are going to the synthetic line. We've only ever had cable, but I think this is really nice having the synthetic line. You don't have to worry about your hands getting torn up or the cable rusting. Yes, with synthetic line you have to worry about maybe the cable or the rope getting old and frail and fragile and all that good stuff, but yeah, it's got its pros and cons. So no, I was super happy with how the install went. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, so we look forward to working more with Open Road Forward Drive, and we appreciate you guys for sponsoring the channel. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, see you next clip.